Hello everyone, I'm IEI's Marketing PM. My name is Oliver. Today I'm going to introduce a 10-inch risk panel PC, and the name is IOBA 10F. This panel PC is using Android 5.1 as operating system, and it is adopt ultra-thin design. The thickness is only 14.7 millimeter for this machine. And on the right hand side of the panel, you can see there is one set of the keypad. And the function for the keypad is to turn the volume up or volume down, or one SOS key for emergency situation. If the user would like to redefine the function of these three keys, IEI also provide key code for user to redefine the keys to as other functions. Also, on the left-hand side of the machine, here with one power LED indicator and one NFC RFID reader for user to do access control or other applications. Also, on the back side of the machine, you can see there is one set with 6 IOT Starter Kit connectors for user to connect I2C Starter Kit to it. And user can buy this kind of connector from website very easily. And after they connect the sensor to the connector, they can start to build their own software as the application. Today, the IoT devices grow up very rapidly, and the number is around 50 billion by 2020. So this is a very innovative in industrial computer. So if you have any question, you can go to the IEI TW on the Facebook and leave a message for us. Thank you.